Hello, ringe kamsa ngache channel to get the pewa yana thema thambo phenye sundar chine thamlo test dile tharing ki nyin thung na nge ki and the model verbs you ra ngazu could would should can will shall let mangbo you ra dinang ki could would and should this ki kod la chi shina samstra di yang khasa thenge sunan chi ki chen kyo shra this ki kod la nyin thung so da le ra nge ki sambala ngarang ki chashi jo ro rang chi member che thamzam thenge so idile ros ka nyin thung go pandis ka go la cho tinga ne chi che tu na thenge so la tu be se la chi ni ngarang nge ne chi pen tho adu ro samstra last one tharing di kod le sheyi ani muthin sirna Lasso the Tambunya Langanzo could would should this machine model verbs lena Karim Batunda the Shinto Achigin the Ra model verbs and verb in the Manzu Chasik Chilra, the Chasik Nangi model verb the Karilana, yen the helping verb chire, Chavitsito, Chasi Ropachinera, the Karitum Borelana Manzu and the permission share, request share, the Royora Chochin share, the regu share, the day dog it's sick Pijuchi Manzu could would shoot the Pijuchi Redra. As well, that Mongosi could would shoot the down to Kardi call a Pijuchi, this two to leisure the ra, intending a thing or tuition in the ra, pardon yon the ra, fill in the blank. If you want to improve your English, you dash watch my videos. Rather dash the nankari. If you want to improve your English, you could or you would or you should watch my videos. Right, you could lead it. Radila could let you carry so kurangla politely request to chi. I mean politely kola jumbo chin kola share jero. You could watch my video. Kirangi ni video dunzo ta chogu re lejero. Ni nindung dunzo ta chogu re lene. You should let the injik chore lejero. The ni nindung the ko injik minjik ta wa do the keyo marra. Ani you would let the sambula manzo ya. Chick tane dikhare will ki desiro you would let the nyama das hawado ra nyama ta warwa la jodo timare sonsa could do that ra ta could ki shema to dang khande do yor lena thambunya la khokhare lena past tense of can anzo thupa chetuki you I can do this the can lejo diki desik la manzo khare thire could ra penetration last year danilo I could type without looking on the keyboard. Majo computer keyboard ne measure tila mata ni koranga thithuki lejura tila majo I could litanya ma thithuki lejura di thada wala suena I can type without looking on the keyboard. I can type without looking on the keyboard and ngaming mata ni thithuk type thithuki that the past tense la chidi tanilo I could so that this can be past tense to down to share the new one she call a could the future share na future possibilities maung palachik chungsiki re mare lejurwa de ke shiti monzo khari kep kare could ra penisina it could rain tonight ra thari kondar chikchina chawa gasigi re I could fall ill tomorrow sani chikchina nganda sigi re ra tende roche ani de la shimbachi kharido giving polite suggestion na de susugi samchar tyenjorwa the polite na yara puchni susugi samchar tyenjorwa manzo dinde ra chigu re na susugi khalore wang thanda jig shejoro shtoine de la khare polite suggestion yara puchni susugi samchar dinde manzo could puju chigir derwa beneshna we could do some yoga ra manzo we have so much of free time ra manzo tizo to pe mangbudu ra what should we do manzo khare chigo yuna la de sambola we could do some yoga manzo khare chikshina yoga che chugurelani susugi thambo samjar ditengor de di angare ya rabu chini tengor ra okay tiche next the request ta reguchia politely ra nyam chinju ya rabu chini susugi reguchia jor ra penesashina could you open the door please ra kirangi ko di chi che tu sa re ku ji le jura could you lend me some money please ra could I borrow your pen ra ani ngi gi khirang gi pen di borrow chi cho re ngai khirang dam ni pen di ya cho re le jura odi che tamadela asking permission ra ta khola nga zo chojin shue ro jura dile ro la phiji odiran kut chir dra penisna could I use your pen for a minute ngai khirang gi pen di kamachik che do phiji chi cho re le jura odine ro che ta kut ki din zo sangma ji inde sambula thenda zo de khare de ngor na che thupa ra I could do this I could do that de che thupa le jura ti de ngor re ta ni pa de la would le de khare thangmo de na manzo will ki past tense will la de manzo maung ba ge ko chabe chik do chira will ki past tense la would chire ani di yang manzo phege na na manzo khare de ngor chepa le dirang chik de ngor de ra penisashna ta will ki past tense la would de khandi thire na I was sure ra ngada ji tende tik tik ora na ha ku gi ngada nyepa de lesung ne jero khari I would pass the exam ngada exam di kalore pass chain banga ngara thangbo ni ha khocha sung ne jero I would pass the exam ta ko exam pass chhe sar de ra o dila manjo would phiji chire I could pass the exam na nga pass chu thuki yel ra thuki yuswa thanda de I would pass the exam na nga pass chegi re leisure nga dinial khuran ha ko gi nga pass chegi re leisure o de chawor ni pa tinga zo would de khare la phiji chila na imaginary situation ra imaginary situation la de sambola nga zo lebana nga zo imagine chidala de sambo so lebana samlo mangbo do stam ne da do chigi do ara tu de sambo nga zo khar chile would phiji chir tata pension if I had a plane kissing a nam to shiginasra I would go to Paris right now nga thanda Paris la phirsare leisure ra tanga imaginary situation and geja shede sambola nga zo changma lebana na jik susu gi samno gi syo sheje ra dila nga zo chik changma khari phiji chile if I win a lottery I would donate it to all the monasteries leisure kissing a lottery chik thobaina ra chagash thobaina ngi gi komba sangwala shindep chasare leisure ra tene do if le de phiji mo mushir ta thine suba di khare polite offer chiwala de susu gi ya chik phue do jora manjo ode ta di ya ra puchni ya phue ro de manjo khale le na would phiji chir the penishna would you like to have some water would you like to have some water kirang chutungi be lejura chutungi le di ke chita ya puch ta mido singa chu nang le lewa do jik che dumbo do chira ani would you like to have some water le de chran chu go le do would you like to have anything chran chik sa do khari ne go lejura dus che ta thama dinga zo also asking permission would dinga zo khare thangi ne thamo shibane shi kut the would the changsam do dan do do chior la swara ta dela thingi manzo kut chidi manzo chojin shue de la kut le swara ta would de chojin shue la dur da penishna would it be okay right if I use your pen kissing ni ge chirang ge pen de phujina ke kangi ke yomarwa digirwa lejurwa tinde ro chidi sambo manzo khari ge gure would it be okay if I use your pen ngi restriction share de this chopo do chege serra kanshine ni nyentu chig rembo ro jisenye thum de ra kiselinge so chi khari goma chho do stuna yamena chen jabe che odi korla yamena nyentu de chi koni buni do siruna shira la suta thamadi khare should jirwa thangi could tam would di khare can nam will ki direct past tense re khaptu or past chadu or de chik chadu or ine should dirwa shall ki khaptu or gaji past tense de chadu go mar de chik dirwa pensation na manjo pe joba na pe jero shtu na de net go the should la di khare le na che kyo ba right de che go re le jero ma jo odi de ngor dirwa I should do my homework now le du ta tanda ngara ga jina ne de chego thu chego yuge ra le jora chego ra le jora dire ani not a direct past tense of shall give direct past tense de should mare stra penishna I should call you I shall call you lede ni jela chirang la khabar tam go le jura I should call you lede thinking ma chirang la phone tam go yorbe le jura o de che given in the question mark the towards re dwara ni ba de should khari la dure duty and suggestion Suzuki duty genkur dang suggestion obligation la dinzo de samchar da dinde logic dinde samong on should pujich benesina everyone should reach here by 6 p.m. Mitsangma dela chuzu thukpa badula le chawa chigu yu lejura o dinde doche you should go to your home la disumbo kekira nang la thanda dogu yore lejura o dinde do for giving opinion Suzuki samchu samchar samsu genkur tinzu tuen chidulang onzo should pujich shirwa ta Suzuki opinion samchu tuen du khandi pujich shirla na I think you should go back to your home now rata kisinga da doma ta ye nang la jumro je ta de de ya chajishtara gonda khalasa nim de yiro jang de de ya chajishtara ta khachare kis chena chardra an ye amagi doma la lejura Doma, it's late right now, ra. I think you should go back to your home, ra. That and the chill chashas kikira nang la dona yakuyore, ra. The detailing onto those could, would, and should kikola those chi. La so linge taring kin tundiran sami sinsin na model tushin nang kadin che man so channel to subscribe chijuina injik subscribe chine onjo chopo chomi na shurun na man so tenda 1.5 rang la de samso tang onjo chomi nidong jobo letwa che indra ani tende ro shinyam de taring kin dong de shagi jemale sensin na get to giro chi la so subscribe like and share injin minje churun na Ani also mir mongbuchi la pento ki platform do jik chathura la so ani bye